How to conjugate the irregular verbs ending in ETTRE in the present tense. Bonjour, this is Camille Morin, your French teacher from French Pearl with Camille. So in the first place, I'm going to give you a list of verbs ending in ETTRE, and then I'll be conjugating one verb, that is verb mettre, to put in the present tense, and then we'll do the exercises as usual. Here are the major verbs ending in ETTRE. Mettre, promettre, compromettre, permettre, soumettre, admettre, remettre, commettre, transmettre, omettre. Now we are going to jump directly into the conjugation of these verbs ending in ETTRE in the present tense. So I'm conjugating one verb, that is verb mettre. You can apply the same and do the conjugation of all verbs in this list. Verb mettre, M-E-T-T-R-E. We cut off TRE and the stem that is left is MET. To this stem we are adding the following endings, that is S, S, and nothing for the third person singular, TONS, TEZ, and TENT for the plural forms. So here is the conjugation of verb mettre. Je mets with an S, tu mets S, il met, elle met, we add nothing. Nous mettons, TONS, vous mettez, TEZ, ils mettent, elles mettent, TENT. And now it's your turn to try out any of those verbs that I've given in the list. You can even leave them in the comment section if you wish. The next exercise, we are going to fill up the dashes with the present tense of the verbs in the bracket in these following sentences. Je permettre aux élèves de travailler en groupe. Elle dash promettre de rendre le livre dans 2 jours. Nous dash soumettre nos devoirs en ligne. Tu dash admettre que tu as besoin d'aide. Vous dash transmettre les informations à vos élèves. Easy, isn't it? So let's check out the answers. Je permets aux élèves de travailler en groupe. Permet with an S. Elle promet de rendre le livre dans 2 jours. We had nothing here. Nous soumettons nos devoirs en ligne. TONS. Tu admets que tu as besoin d'aide. S. Vous transmettez les informations à vos élèves. TEZ. Don't miss to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in the next video, we are going to see yet another conjugation in the present tense. Until then, au revoir et à bientôt.